Wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-Hong Kong saglit. Aesthetic, coffee and pastry. Hi guys! So we're flying to Japan today pero we will first go to Hong Kong because we will have a layover there. We're flying Cathay Pacific. So basically, layover tayo sa Hong Kong. So we particularly choose this flight kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-Hong Kong saglit. So ayun, so I think we will have like 8 hours na layover in Hong Kong. So samahan nyo kami as we roam around Hong Kong, pero baka hindi na kami masyadong lumayo kasi sayang yung oras at saka baka maiwan kami nung next na flight namin. So it's currently 4:40, boarding na namin in a while. 5:30 yung flight namin going to Hong Kong, tapos ang next flight na namin going to Tokyo is around like 4 p.m. So yun, so simple outfit lang tayo today, and yeah, that's it. Hi guys! We arrived here in Hong Kong. We arrived earlier than expected. So, mag-get lang kami, mag-withdraw lang kami ng money. Tapos, we might just go to yung nearby na lang. Baka pumunta na lang kami ng outlet store, the City Gates outlet. Kasi I think it's like 20 minutes away lang yun by bus here, according dun sa nakita ko. Tapos, ayaw kasi namin maiwan ng though hapon pa naman yung next na flight, medyo maaga pa naman. Pero nakakatamad din kasi pumunta dun sa city. Tapos most of the things that you need is nandun na rin naman sa City Gate. So I think okay na rin naman na doon na lang kami pumunta. 10 o'clock din magbubukas yun. So ewan ko na kung anong gagawin namin. Sige, let's see. Hi guys! So we are now here in Tung Sung. We just rode a bus, yung S1. Tapos from airport papunta na kami dito sa City Gate outlet. So I think 10 pa nagbubukas yung stores, but we'll just wait for it to be open. Baka magkape lang muna kami. May bake house naman dito. Most of the things that you need to visit here or kainan or to try, I mean for me just for me, nandito na rin kasi sa City Gates eh. So hindi na kami masyadong lumayo. So yun, let's go! So meron dito sa City Gate Outlets, dun sa pinakataas, sa Food Opera, meron dito yung Loho Flavors, tapos meron siyang Michelin Bib Gourmand na food. So ito yung mga in-order namin. Ito yung mga nire-recommend nila. So try natin. Ito yung parang noodles, parang sticky noodles. Ito yung parang crispy something. So parang walang sauce. Hindi namin alam kung Ano ba to? Try natin. Ang strong ng flavors niya. I think much better to kapag ano, meron sigurong sauce or sausawan. May kasama kasi ni sugar, baka sinasawsaw, parang turon. Turon or maruya. Hindi eh. Strong yung flavors eh. Baka nga kailang isawsaw. Tapos ito naman yung ano, yung roast. Ito siya. Tapos may egg na kasama. Tapos may rice sa ilalim. Sarap yung sauce. Fairness. Sarap din yung timpla. Super malasa, savory. And it's good. So ayun nga, kain muna kami. Ubusin namin ito. Guys, let's eat Bakehouse. Kapag. Hi guys! So we are back here in the Hong Kong International Airport kasi we're catching our flight, our next flight going to Haneda in Tokyo. Bumili rin ako ng coffee ko. This is the most aesthetic coffee and pastry that I got. So it's from Batcha Coffee. So ito yung coffee, tapos meron chantilly na cream. Tapos ito yung sugar nila. Diba mahiya ka, tapos may spoon. And they have also reusable straw. Diba, saan ka pa? Sobrang aesthetic. Try natin good coffee. Ang sarap naman yung coffee ni Batcha. Medyo parang artificial.